Hey y'all, what's up and welcome back. So excuse the mess behind me. I know it's rough, but I just wanted to show you guys that I actually did manage to salvage quite a bit of this eyeshadow. I'm going to show you exactly how I did that in this little video right here. It's going to be super short, sweet, and to the point, but as you can see, the eyeshadow is perfectly fine now. There is your pigmentation, so it's like nothing ever even happened. We will go ahead and swatch it. So there you go, it works perfectly well. And since I already had the stuff out, I went ahead and actually did a second item. You guys know I had actually broken a Becca highlighter as well, and that one right there is this right here. This was the shade Opal. This is one of the most stunning highlights that I've ever had, but I broke it not long after purchasing it, and I still used it. It was just kind of a muddled mess. It's not perfect by any means, but it did work. I feel like that method is something that would get better as you practice with it, but again, it still worked really well, and that highlighter is perfect now. So I just wanted to share that with you guys and show you how I did this. So if you want to see how I did fix those items, then just keep on watching. Make sure to hit that subscribe button before you leave if you've not already, and always be you. I'll see you next time, guys. Bye. Okay, so all you're going to need for this is whatever eyeshadow or face product, whatever it is you have that is broken. All you have to do is take some rubbing alcohol and your eyeshadow of choice, mash up your eyeshadow into super fine pieces. That's going to help them melt together even better. Then you're just going to add a little bit of alcohol at a time. You don't want to add, you don't want to completely soak it in alcohol, but you want to make sure that you get it wet enough that you can pack it down together. You're going to mix it up with a toothpick really, really well, and then you're just going to take like a piece of toilet paper or paper towel. You can place it over the top of a container. I chose to use a little eyeliner container that fit really well inside my pans. I've seen people use quarters. I'm sure there's lots of things you have lying around your house that will work. Just anything around the same size as your pan, just something to help you mash it down and make it really compact. That's all that it takes to lock it in place. Then you're going to let it dry for a few hours. I let mine dry overnight before I touched it, and it is good to go. The pigmentation is still there. Everything works really well. So I saved myself about 25 bucks right here just using products that I had around the house. So I figured why not share that with you guys, because I've seen other people do it and it just seems like a really good idea, and what do you know, it worked. So yeah, that's all I have for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. As always, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and always be you. See you next time, guys.